everybody, it's Miss Nichols. I'm here to do another division problem using partial products because I promise this to my students. This is on the back side of your homework. We are going to do a 4-digit by 2-digit 7,068 divided by 27. So we start by drawing our little hangman figure. Our dividend goes right here. And our divisor goes on the outside. This is what we will be dividing up. This is what we're dividing by. Okay, I try to find a pretty number, something that is easy to do in my head, or I can work out really, really fast on the side. And I always like to start with tens or hundreds if I possibly can, and then I'll figure out if I can't do that, or if it's not feasible to do that. So I look at 27 times 10 would be 270. Well, I've got over 7,000, so I need to think bigger. So I'm going to try to do 27 times 100. 27 times 100 is 2,700. So that does give me a big chunk of it. We're going to subtract that out. 8 minus 0 is 8. 6 minus 0 is 6. 0 minus 7 is, get it. So I need to go with group. 10 minus 7 is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. When I look at this, well, I can take out another 100 groups of 27. So I'm going to multiply 27 times 100 again. Take those out and see what's left. 8 minus 0 is 8. 6 minus 0 is 6. 3 minus 7 is, ooh, can't do it. 13 minus 7. 6, 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so now I'm down to 1,668, and I cannot pull out another 100 groups. So now I've got to think in my tens digits. I love multiplying by the number 10, but I will be here all day long if I choose to only do 10. If I choose to do 10, that's okay, and I will still get the same answer as everybody else once I add all of these up. I'm just trying to make my life a little bit easier. So I know it can't be 100. I know that 10 is too small. So I'm going to try 27 times 50. Multiplying by 50 is pretty easy. So over to the side, I will multiply that out. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13. Since that number is smaller than this number, I can multiply by 50. I can take out 50 groups of 27. So I'm going to add that to my partial product section over here. 27 times 50 is 1,350. Now I'm going to subtract. 8 minus 0 is 8. 6 minus 5, 1. 6 minus 3, 3. 0. Okay, so now I'm down to my hundreds. I know that 27 times 10 is 270. 8 minus 0 is 8. Need to regroup. 11 minus 7 is 4. I'm so close. Yet so far away. Okay, I'm just going to start pulling out groups of 27 now because I'm almost there. So if I multiply 27 by 1, you get 27. 8 minus 7 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. Once I get to a number that is smaller than my divisor, that means this number is now my remainder, and I can stop because I cannot pull out any more groups of 27. So this is my remainder. And then I'm going to add up all of these partial quotients over here. 100 plus 100 is 200. 200 plus 50 is 250. Plus 10, 260. Plus 1 is 261. So when I go to write my final answer, it would be 261 with a remainder of 21. And that is your final answer.